Good evening. It is Sunday, August 9th. It is 10 p.m. I was away on vacation. I haven't been able to do any videos. I am going to do a random EURUSD, see where it gets us, see if there's any trades to be made, and we'll take it from there. So I just selected a random bar. No idea what this is. So this is the developing chart, so I like to watch how things develop. Yes. So here I go to the weekly, and I get a nice top down, see what's been going on since forever ago. All right. We have some consolidation here. We have a bit of up 1, 2, and then it trended down for a long time. How long was it going down for? Let's see. We got our first. This is the 21, 22, almost a whole year. All right, then it comes back up to this fair market value. Now it's dancing below it a little bit. It did create a new fair market value here below this level. That's something, perhaps. And here we are now, 1, 2, and we're dancing around this fair market value. Could be going up, could be going down. Currently, it is confirmed still on the uptrend. However, we do have a warning dot here, meaning it could go down. So we don't have any real clear movement here on the weekly. So here we are on the monthly, just to get a better sense of what's going on. We have the fair market value here established in 2015. This probably comes up on a lot of my charts because it's been there forever. And we have our expansion lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 and 6 are debatable. Definitely down here, a 6. And we're coming back up. Are we going to continue to take out this fair market value on this up? We are on an uptrend now. Who knows? I mean, this is the monthly. This is years. But currently on an uptrend, possibly taking it out. All right, let's go back to the weekly. Let's go here. Let's get out of this. All right, let's go to the daily. Let me just bring up the daily. Whoa, I can't see anything here. All right, let's get a better sense of what's been going on the daily. We have a fair market value with our expansion. 1, 2, not 3, but we do have the expansion up, down. It could be forming a new consolidation. Perhaps we're looking at a trend. We're coming down to this fair market value. Perhaps it is on a down trend. We have the yellow confirmation dot, and it is going down. Currently trading at around the fair market value. At the trend line on the daily. Could be coming up, could be going down. Currently it is going down. It may want to take out these levels here or complete this box if it heads up. Currently going down. I am going to continue to look for it to go down further. So let's get here. Let's see what's been going on the 4 hour. The 4 hour. Let's get it big so I can see what the heck's going on. All right. A lot of fair market values, a lot of consolidation boxes, all embedded within that other larger expansion on the daily. So we got here. Currently, we are on an uptrend, interacting or about to interact with this fair market value line, this expansion line. We have a 1, a 2. We may be coming up for 3 to take out this one, maybe even this one. We're currently up. So on our 5-minute, if we are currently up and our daily is down, our weekly is up. However, possible down warning. So we got up, down, up. Which looks better? I do like the daily continuing down. Just the way the trend looks. Well, let's see. Let's see what we get here on the... I have to change the candles because for some reason I don't All right, we're up. We are well above this fair market value. This is not a trade I would want to get into on any aspect unless I was thinking it was going to short, but I have no interest in shorting this right now. I don't like this. This is still in an uptrend. It may come way out of this box here. So we are on an uptrend. We are overpriced right here. Looking for a down, a retrace into this area, perhaps, if we were to think about possibly getting an entry. So let's fast forward the time and see if there is a possible entry about to entertain us and get us in place. So we are on an uptrend, and it is very much going up. Now, I would have liked to have maybe got in on another level, earlier, but this was a random entry. So let's see, when we do have a new box forming, so perhaps we can get in. If we're thinking this is going to keep going up, that this is going to change into a uptrend on the daily, and perhaps the weekly is going to reject this warning dot to the downside, that this uptrend is going to pass. We'll see. We'll see what's going to happen. I think up is still the name of the game here. So let's see if this thing comes down. So it comes down here. We are now below this fair market value line. There's going to be a lot of price action going on. What time is this at? This is 9 o'clock, okay, Eastern Standard Time. So the New York session just opened. I'm thinking of a small entry here. I would prefer it was lower, but we just confirmed to the upside. You know what? Let's put in a long position, not a very large one, with a stop loss. Let's make it a little tighter this time. I think it's going to continue up. If not, then we get closed out. And let's see, what do you want? Let's go 200. Is that 85,000? We'll round down. I'm going to buy, stop. 87. No, let's go 85,000. Okay. Let's put in our stop loss here, and that's about 200. Let's buy. Now let's see if it continues to go up. It did very briefly, took our order, and then proceeded to go down. So now we are on a downtrend on the on the 5 minute. And we just confirmed back up. Now, did it find this? Let me turn these off, I'm sorry. Did it find this fair market value, decide that was what it wanted to resist off of, and now is turning up? So is this a new opportunity to buy a little more? Let's just see what it does. Let's see if it does come up. No, it's going down, more. Okay, now so this is bad. I'm glad I didn't get in. I'm not going to move my stop loss down. I'm hoping it will bounce off of this. Perhaps I didn't give myself enough buffer. I should have come below this liquidity line. So I'm going to do that. I do not like doing that, especially on a down, but we are up. And if it does reject this fair market value line, I will most definitely buy more. So now we got a new box forming. This is not good. We have a new gray box here, finding more of a center of balance here. Now it did reject off of there. However, now we may play off of this fair market value. It may go up, it may go down. I believe it is going to test this lower liquidity level here, and then either blow through it, start a downtrend here, confirm on a down on over one of these. We'll see. I think at this point now, I think it's probably going to go down and take out my stop loss. And that's exactly what it did. All right. $200. We are still confirmed on the upside on the 4-hour. This could be our expansion. 1, 2, 3, heading on up to 4 now. We'll see. All right. Now, this is a dangerous spot. So we may be confirming to the downside in the next end of this, the end of this candle, 4-hour candle. Or this may be a prime area to do a very small entry, knowing that if by the end of this candle, if it doesn't go up, it's going to trend down, and I always get out then, and I wait for the confirmation in the other direction. So I'm going to take the gamble. I'm going to put a little trade here, and I'm telling you, short stop loss here. 200. I'm not very convinced, so let's just do 150 and see what we get. I'm going to put it into 8,500 again. Wow, all right. And we'll put in our stop loss here. And, whoa, what happened? Oh, I'm selling. All right, no, I want to buy. I want to buy. Put the stop loss down there. 150, buy it. Okay, let's see if it takes it, or if it rejects and wants to go back south. All right, it took it, but it is going back down south. Now's the time for it to turn around. If it doesn't, then I'm getting out. If that confirms to the downside, I'm at, see, now we have another box down there. This is not good. That confirms to the down. It confirmed to the downside here on the 4-hour. So I'm out for $32 there. It is what it is. Okay. Now, we confirmed to the downside. It looks like we did interact and take out this fair market value. Okay, are we going to continue to now trend away from that to create a new expansion? Or is it going to dance here, reject off of this fair market value, and then head back up? We're still down. I think this is going to confirm down by the end of the week. Now my idea's changed. Now I'm thinking of going short. Well, let's see what happens. I'm waiting for, I would wait for there to be a change in the trend direction on the 5-minute here. If it takes a hard rejection off of this fair market value and dies down, I mean, it's trading right below that line right now. It's right below it. It doesn't want to go anywhere. Granted, it is 7 o'clock, end of the day. Now we're getting into the Asia market soon. Yeah, that's the Asia market. Trending up now. It is still below. I'm thinking down, and I would have put a trade in right there, but I just keep hitting the next button. So I'm just gonna see what it does. And there's a new box. I like this for a downtrend. It's just looking good. I would consider, if it pops up above this now with the new box here, I think this thing is going to start running. Let's see a good entry point. Let's see where it starts to trend down. Right about here. Let's put in a small entry. Let's put in a short. See if we can get anything today. I'm going to put my stop loss maybe around that line there. And I'm going to go a little heavier this time. And let's do 400. why. I just feel good about it. And that's a lot. All right. Okay, this is 243,000. All right, let's sell that sucker at a stop. Stop loss is up here, 400. Confirm. Go. All right, we took it at 17. I don't even know. I just saw the number 17 and then verbalized it. Okay, so we're still dancing around here. Let's get rid of that. Clean this up. We are now above the trend line. We are still short on the 4-hour. Hoping maybe we get a rejection off of this line here, fair market value, and we continue in a downtrend as we are on the daily and possibly confirming on the weekly. We are now below. Do we have some sort of expansion? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are we going to come up to 6 and then break out and go trend, or are we going to go 6 and then reject off of one of these values here? Right here, is that a rejection? We're going down, going down. Okay, we have a new fair market value here. Will it stay below it? If it stays below it, I have more confidence this is going to be a good trade. It just bounced above it, coming off of this now. So we have a lower high right here. High, maybe it is coming down, but we do have a higher low also. So this is things to be worried about, and I am a little worried about it. It doesn't want to go past this fair market value line down here on the 4-hour. And I just keep talking. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay, it did go down. All right, now we're in a profit. I'm down at 286. I'm about a little over half R. Now I'm at R. I'm at $400. This is still going down. This is down. This may confirm down. I like this. Let's continue. Let's watch it. Maybe take out some of this liquidity down here. Well, again, we're going to bounce. We're going to do our expansion, but I'm hoping it's expanding on this further down. So let's see where it goes. All right, we're coming up here. So now we're above this fair market value. We're trading above it. We've been trading above it. I don't like when that happens, but it still is. We're doing our expansion. 1, 2. I'm hoping for a 3 down here. 2 up here. Come on, let's get a 3 down here. We're still trending down, although we are getting closer. This is the trend line. I put it here so I can see it. Let's see where we're going. No, it took a bounce off of there. That could be a sign. That could be a bad sign. No, come on, go through it. If you keep dancing over it, if you reject and start heading up, I'm gonna have to get out of this trade. And take a nothing and close this video for nothing. Oh, come on. Ah, crap. All right, so now we are pretty much at our trend line. We are still on a downtrend on the 4-hour. We are still on a downtrend on the daily. We are still below the trend line on the weekly, and however, we are above the monthly. Let's see what happens. Will it bounce off of here and give me something to go up? Or is it going to keep going up? Gonna. G-U-N-N-A. Gonna. Is it going to keep going up or down? There's our down. Okay, this is good. This is our 1, 2, 3. Is it going to go back up to 4 now? That I would not like. Let's make a new box here. Bounce up, come off of here, and then continue down even further. Okay, let's bounce off of there. And no. I should just take my 1R. This thing is starting to get very whippy. down, up, down, up, down. I don't like that. Makes me uncomfortable. Oh, a new box up here. This thing's all over the place. It's so whippy here on the 4-hour, and it's like horizontal here on the daily. This is not a trend trade, so it's difficult to manage, difficult to deal with. I'm probably going to wind up breaking even on this. But again, it's still down. That's why I'm not out of this. It's still down. I'll take a break even, but it still has the potential to, you know, take a dive down, take out this fair market value. That would be beautiful. Yes. Okay. All right. Now I'm well in profit. Okay. All right. This is good. This is good. That's a lot of liquidity it just took out. I'm at 646 for a $100 buy, a $400 buy-in. Well below turf. Do I watch it? No. I'd probably take some off the table, let the rest ride. Oh wow. Okay. All right. Oh, good read. Good read. All right. Beautiful. This is great. You know what? I'm gonna take my profit here. That's 2R. Beautiful. All right. I took some of those losses, so I'm up. All right, 621. That's not bad. Let's see what else it's going to do. I think it's going to continue to run down eventually down to here, but it's going to take a few days, or it could just drop like a bomb. I mean, if you see here, it's 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning my time. So New York hasn't opened. This is the result of London. Let's see what happens. London continues to push it down, and now we got a turn around here. That would have been that was a good trade. Let's see what happens here. It's still down, down, down. Again, I think it's going to take this out, and you know what? I'm just going to let it run. But no, see, look at that. I'm glad I got out. That's the thing. It bounces, dives, it moves around. I wouldn't have taken a long on this, even if I saw it turn, because it goes against the trend here. It goes against the trend here, and may go against the trend there eventually. Again, I think it's still going to go down. I think it's going to take this out. It's just, like I said, this could take a few days for it to get there. All right, I think I babbled on long enough. Everyone, have a great day, and hopefully somebody gets something out of this. I did. Fake money.